talk about a problem we have in America.
Black people.
They steal all your
goddamn chicken.
And they take up all the crime rates in America. Like, they always go to jail for shooting and
I
killing
know,
and
right?
for robbing.
What else do they do?
Hot sauce, foil on their teeth. Like, who does that? Like, it's
Yeah.
reflection in there.
Ew.
That's disgusting.
I
Like,
know,
rip your
right?
gums off. Like, seriously, that's gross. Like, it's a
Ew.
hygienic problem.
They also wear too much makeup. I mean, look at me. I'm very beautifully tan, and these people, you wonder why white people will never have any makeup.
Right. Because they always take it all. Like,
Exactly.
that's the purpose of it. And then all these Hot Wheels on the freaking spinners. Like,
Fake
look at the
aluminum.
spinners on the freaking car. Like, you don't need to do that. Like, it's stupid.
It's so fake. Just
Like,
take it off your
serious.
damn car. Another thing that you guys do is fill up all the goddamn homeless shelters.
Right, like seriously, just because you get to jail and you can't pay for your baby mama doesn't mean you need to go up in the freaking crib and fill up freaking homeless shelters.
That's why I have 4 baby daddies, 3 white kids living in my goddamn house because you black people don't know how to keep your damn
Exactly.
jobs. Another thing that black people have a problem with
It's
is that
taking our cough syrup. Like sometimes I'm sick with amnesia and then you're taking out all your cough syrup.
another thing that black people do is they play so many good music. I'm sitting in the car listening to Drake playing all his records and listening and wording all of his words. I'm like, yeah, go Drake, you're my baby. Stop playing all that good damn music, okay? I ain't got time to be listening to no black people.
And another thing about you black people is that you guys are so fucking dark, we lose you in the dark.
Exactly.
Like, how does that even make any sense?
I need more makeup.
Seriously, because I think what we should do
Yeah.
is that we should make a plague just for white people.